Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on MSI Stealth. In order to update Windows, you need to go to the settings, then go to Windows Update, and now you can check for updates, then click on download and install all, and they'll start downloading and installing. In my case, they have automatically started, so now they are installing. Some of them take longer, some of them take less, and I think this is the two ones at the top are gonna be the longest ones, and these are gonna be pretty short. So I'll just wait until they all get installed, and after that some of them may prompt me to restart my laptop, but sometimes it happens that one of them prompts you to restart the laptop and you have the reboot now button, but others are still pending install or in the installing process. So what I recommend honestly is waiting until all of them install and say either completed or pending restart, because without that it'll just make you restart your laptop multiple times, so it all just installs, then you need to restart, then some of the other ones are installing and all of that, so it's better to just wait. And also later, if you have any reason for it, you can go to advanced options, optional updates, and here is going to be your optional Windows update, and also the driver updates, but the driver updates should be only installed in case something is not working. So for example, if the USB is not working, you can click on that, then click on download and install. But if it is working, then I will leave it not downloaded, because it'll automatically download the ones that are important. Now I can see the one, this one has installed. I'm gonna install the rest. You can see how I said these are pretty quick. Now I'm gonna install that one as well. Okay, it didn't work, so maybe it'll work later. Then that one worked, and I don't want to install the first one because it takes too long, so I'm just gonna click on restart now. And the restart process may take a bit longer than usual because of the fact that it has to apply the update. So I'll get back to you when the laptop turns on again. And now it's updated, so I'm just gonna log in, and let's see, in the settings I'm gonna go back to the Windows update, and here let's see if I can retry the Intel. Yes, I can, and now I can start installing this one, but I'm not gonna show you the process because actually it took quite short. I was expecting it to take a bit longer. And now, even if none of the updates prompt you to restart, I still recommend restarting. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.